established a unique and bold stature for itself at the world scale. What do you think is the main reason for the same? Bold approach in foreign relations, or robust economy, or strong defense capabilities? Now is clear?
Yes, sir.
We have the capability, but still we need to develop our skills particularly, because without skills, no other country will invest in our country. And for investment, as the chess number one said, we need investment to develop our skills, to develop our country. But for that, for investment, we need to show them that we have the skills, we have the capability to
Investment. Because if we talk about skill development or fostering an economy, the major thing which is required is investment. Without investment, we can't achieve our projects on under Make in India. So, and we can also see due to the Trump tariffs, most of our individual sectors, either they are MSMEs or rural sectors, have been affected.
When we talk about missiles, and let's take an example of BrahMos missile. So we are selling it to other countries. So the initiative of Make in India that added up to our economy, and these initiatives like Make in India,
they are very poor and they wanted to develop their families and the society.
किस लीड से करें?
शुरू मतलब ऐसे आया ना कि स्किल डेवलपमेंट से रूरल
स्किल डेवलपमेंट की तो बात ही नहीं किया, राइट? तो कनेक्ट योर पॉइंट टू योर नीड ऑनली. कि टॉपिक ऐसा आ गया जिसके बारे में आपको ज्यादा पता नहीं है, हाउ टू पार्टिसिपेट. तो वैसे आइडियल ये है कि आप फर्स्ट नॉट में एंटर कर जाए फर्स्ट फील होता है. But then, in case you are not very familiar with the topic, wait for 2-3 minutes, not more than that. You can pick up cues from what other people are saying and then build upon it. आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा, 2-4 लोग बोल लेंगे कि आप क्या चीज बोल सकते. Don't repeat the same point, but from those points you can build up your point. That is a way to manage if in case you get stuck with an unfamiliar topic. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
क्योंकि पहली सीढ़ी है बुक खोल के पार्टिसिपेट करना. अगर वही नहीं होगा तो करेक्ट कैसे किया जाएगा, राइट? ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. सेकेंडली, अवॉइड लुकिंग डाउन व्हेन व्हाइट स्पीक. पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलना है, नीचे नहीं देखना है, अपने ग्रुप मेंबर से आंख मिला के बात करना है, राइट? चेस्ट नंबर 4, your participation level has to go up.
Simply not letting you speak.
बाकी कैसे बोल रहा है? So how to manage that? In case no, the answer doesn't lie in raising your voice. It lies in being firm. If you have started first, earlier than the others, and somebody else tries to cut you off, you can politely but firmly tell him, please hold on, let me finish. And continue with your. ये मैनेजमेंट का तरीका है. Allow people to continue. लड़ाई नहीं करनी, थप्पड़ नहीं मारना है, right? But then you can tell that person, please hold. And once you have finished, you can gesture to that person कि हाँ yes, right? क्योंकि बैठे रहोगे तो फिर टाइम तो निकल रहा है, जीतों के पास उतना ही टाइम है. Test number 2. While you are making points, you need not look at the GC. It's a sign of seeking approval. कि भाई मैंने बोला सही बोला कि नहीं बोला, right? You have to address your group. Avoid looking at the GTO at all. बिल्कुल नहीं देखना है GTO. Concentrate on your discussion and address your group always. Make eye contact with your group members. Test number 5. Good. I am happy to see you participating very well. Right? But एक दो चीजों का आपको ध्यान रखना है. Number 1, you got cut off once or twice, but you also cut off some people. You cut off test number 4 for you. Right? When you started speaking, you cut off the. Right. So that is, there are two different things which you have to manage. That is one. Second thing is, see, जो टॉपिक था जो भी पॉइंट आप बोलो उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए। यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इकोनॉमी इन जनरल। एनी क्वेश्चन बाय एनीबॉडी?